Keeping rodents out of your RV can be a battle, but here are some effective repellents and strategies that actually work. 1. Peppermint oil. Rodents hate the strong smell. How to use: soak cotton balls and place them in drawers, cabinets, under the hood, and around your RV tires and undercarriage. Refresh every 2-3 weeks. 2. Ultrasonic repellents. Plug in devices that emit high-frequency sounds unpleasant to rodents, but inaudible to humans. Mixed reviews, but they can work well in small enclosed spaces like an RV. 3. Fresh Cab Rodent Repellent. EPA registered and made from natural plant fibers and balsam fir oil. Designed specifically for RVs, garages, and stored vehicles. 4. Irish Spring Soap, strong scented bars. Some swear by it. Rodents apparently hate the smell. Cut into pieces and stash in drawers, compartments, and storage bays. 5. Steel Wool, plus expanding foam. Block off entry points under your RV, around plumbing lines, and in vents. Rodents can't chew through steel wool, and foam helps keep it in place. 6. Motion-activated lights or vibrations. Rodents like dark, undisturbed areas. Devices like motion lights or vibrating repellents under the chassis can deter them. Bonus RV Pro. Tip: don't store food inside the RV when not in use. Even packaged food can attract unwanted guests.